1. Welcome back to your Abacus class. Hope you all are staying well. So today we are going to revise. What we will revise? We will revise based on fill in the blanks questions and answers. Okay. So whatever we have learnt in our class related to Abacus scale, that we will revise today. And what you will do? You have to copy that down. Where you have to write? You have got Abacus copy, right? So there you will write the answers which I am going to share it with you. Is that okay? Now whatever I share with you during the holidays, do learn them properly, revise whatever I teach, and make maximum use of Abacus scale. So you have learned how to hold the scale. Left hand, these two fingers down, and this finger thumb down, and hold the scale tightly. These two fingers up, your left hand. Done. Your right hand, you close it, keep the pencil inside, and keep these two fingers open. So this is your thumb, this is your index. These two fingers play a very vital role, right? How do you add in your lower bead? You add with the help of right hand thumb finger. How do you subtract in lower bead? With your index, you subtract. How do you add in the upper bead? You add with index. And how do you subtract? With your index as well. Okay. There is a line, there is a black line, right, in the middle of the scale. So from the right to the left, you have to do clear abacus so that you get a position of the scale. So you do it in this way with the help of index and thumb. Clear abacus. Clear abacus. From right to left. From right to left. Okay. The scale structure is of rectangle shape. So the outer cover is known as frame. Okay. Upper row, it is called upper bead, or you can call it as heaven bead. You must be sharing your answers with me, right? Yes, I know. What is the lower portion called? Lower bead or earth bead. You have got white dot in your scale, and that dot is known as unit dot. Okay. Now your right side, from your right side of the scale, you start calculating. So first rod is your unit place. Unit place, ones place. Second rod is your tens place, and it moves on. I will teach you that in the next semester. So this term you only need to know the rod which is in ones place, the first rod from the right side. Okay. You must be wondering, no, why ma'am is not showing the scale, only ma'am is saying verbally. No need to worry. It's only because I want you to think of the scale, visualize the scale in your mind. I am visualizing. The scale is there in my mind. I have closed my eyes. I am thinking of the scale. I know from the right side I have to start. So right side I can see 4 beads at the lower bead and 1 bead at the upper bead. What is the value? Value, lower bead 1 1 1 1. Right? Upper bead, what is the value? 5. So when you add 5 plus 1, you get 6, butterfly number. 5 plus 2, 7, butterfly number. 5 plus 3, 8, butterfly number. 5 plus 4, butterfly number. Right? 5 plus 4, 9. So that's a butterfly number. So 6, 7, 8 and 9. You have to identify all the beads properly so that you can do addition and subtraction clearly. Okay. Another thing, when you draw the beads, make sure, I have already taught you, but still again repeating, make sure you draw it properly. It should touch the answer line, and all the beads should touch each other to get a perfect answer. Okay. So check out your copy. Now we are going to write it. So whatever I am sharing, I am writing, you are also going to write that. Let's go for it. So let's start. Write down today's date, 2/5/22. CW. Right at the top, fill in the blanks. Write the correct spelling. Number 1. There are 4 beads in lower beads. Number 2. There is only 1 bead in upper bead. Number 3. Abacus scale is of rectangle shape. Rectangle shape. Number 4. Always place the abacus scale on a flat surface. On a flat surface. So there are 4 questions in this page. You have to pause the video, copy down the questions and the answer. Okay? First one answer is 4. Second one answer is 1. Third one answer is rectangle. Fourth answer is flat. You have to learn these answers as well. So when we revise, automatically we learn these answers. Okay? Let's see the next page. Question number 5. Upper bead, one's place value is what? 5. Okay? So upper bead, the bead which you see, it is of value 5. Lower bead, one's place value, what you get? 1. From the right side, lower bead, 4 beads are there. Each bead, 1 is the value. Now, number 7. There is a white dot you have seen. So that white dot is called unit dot. Unit dot. Number 8. The middle line which is there in the abacus scale, you call it as answer line or you call it unit bar. Answer line or unit bar. So number 5 answer is 5. 6 is 1. 7 is unit dot. 8 is answer line or unit bar. Let's see the next one. Number 9. Upper bead is also called as upper bead or heaven bead. And the last question for today is lower bead is also known as lower bead or earth bead. Okay. So 2 names are there for each bead. The upper portion we call it heaven or upper bead. The lower portion we call it lower or earth bead. Do write the correct spelling. Again I am advising you, do pause the video, copy down the questions in the CW copy. Okay. So today till this much. So class 1, I hope you all have understood whatever I have given you today. You need to learn this, and after vacation when you meet me, you should be ready with this. Okay. So today till this much. Meet you again in the next class. Till then, take care all of you. Bye bye.